our state like Meghalaya.
The Khasi Students Union KSU Laitumkhrah unit will host the Maitshaphrang Fight Night Season 2 on November 9th at the St. Anthony's School basketball court starting at 3 p.m. Addressing the media at Shillong Press Club, KSU Laitumkhrah Unit President Sambor Mi Lingdo explained that the event aims to motivate local youth to showcase their talents while encouraging them to avoid harmful behaviors. Lingdo also shared that the competition will feature 30 male and female participants from various gyms.
An event entitled Maitshaphrang Fight Night Season 2. Where you'll be able to witness young aspiring fighters who have trained throughout the entire lives to witness that they'll be competing among themselves, wherein as to encourage the local Khasi communities, both boys and girls, to be in that particular event. So in this event, there will be almost 30 participants, inclusive all over Meghalaya, where you will be able to see some of the best, in fact, in this business. They'll be competing in the competition.